This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Pather Panchali is surely something I have had no intention of becoming so infatuated with. I believe the film by Satyajit has had a lasting impact on me because of its themes and impeccable execution. It might seem impossible to capture an all-encompassing concept of life on film. The directorial debut by Roy, however, manages to encapsulate the life and the primal aspects of being human. What I like a lot about the film is its ability to capture birth, growing up, death, and other vast concepts. Pather Panchali reminded me of the feeling of wonder and discovery that accompanied me growing up. I see myself in the film as young Apu attempts to explore his surroundings, but the fear of the unknown keeps following him. The main strength of Roy's directorial debut is a sense of realism, which is a part of every frame. Everyone can connect to the film's portrayal of life as it is, with fatigue, diseases, faith, and relationships. The acting and structure of the film contribute to the sense of realism, which allows viewers to experience real life in a real village. Apart from enjoying an authentic story and raw images of a rural Bengal village, I find the central theme of poverty exceptionally well developed. At the beginning of the film, it is evident that the main hardships the characters face are a result of poverty. Two young siblings' untarnished spirits, as well as their inability to grasp adult problems, resonate with me on a deeper level. The film demonstrates that poverty can take away the blissful sense of wonder children possess and replace it with an inescapable sense of danger. In conclusion, Pather Panchali is truly a masterpiece from one of the most influential filmmakers in the history of India. If you want to find more works like this essay on Pather Panchali by Satyajit Ray, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of free samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects. No registration required to access it.